When you happen to find yourself with the right mix of brew kit ingredient leftovers, you can make yourself a nice, simple brew. Now, this can be done with kind of any combination of these sort of ingredients, so follow along. First thing I do after gathering all the ingredients I need is pitch the yeast. A little bit of warm water mixed with sugar. Let that sit until it starts to foam. Next, I'm going to take this gallon of purified water, stick it in an electric kettle. My kettle holds half a gallon, and that is boiling now. What I'm going to do is take about a teaspoon of amylase, and I'm going to place it in here. Then I'm going to peel, rinse, and break these bananas, stick them in here with 2 pounds of honey, that's distiller's yeast, moonshine sugar that I have left over from not making moonshine, don't worry about that, and a little bit of granulated sugar. I'm going to shake that all up, mix it very fine, and meet you on the other side. And here we have the heterogeneous unmixed product. We have our honey, nice lukewarm honey, sugar, amylase mixture, the bananas floating up to the top, yeast just added in. That's a little bit of the cloudiness of the yeast just kind of filtering down. Now I'm going to shake this up, and no special airlock or anything. We're just going to tighten the cap down, shake it, and then loosen it a quarter turn or so to let it degas for about 10 days, and we'll see you later. Okay, so here we are, 1 day in, and the banana mead is bubbling like crazy. I'm sorry for the shaking, but I'm squatting, trying to balance here. But yeah, it's going good. Can let a little extra gas out, just don't let it overflow. It's just a loose cap. It is letting, it smells like bananas and blueberries. It's letting some of the gas out. You don't have to go crazy. There we go. See, now I can basically remove the cap, Just a couple of turns on there. You don't want it to explode on you. Otherwise, you'll wish you had a proper vapor lock on there. All right, see how it goes.